Nursery. So we have made the grass picture with the mud or the soil. So now I'm going to show you how to make a swirling, whirling snowstorm. So to make a swirling, whirling snowstorm, we need to have some paper, a glue stick, cotton wool, and some sugar. Or you can even use kitchen roll, tissues. So I am going to use the glue first. So I have my piece of paper. I'm going to stick some glue all over my paper. I've put glue all over my paper. I'm going to use some cotton wool, some lovely soft cotton wool. What does this remind you of? It reminds me of snow. I'm going to stick it on. Now I have some sugar and I'm going to use my Tweety Bird fingers. I'm going to pinch it and I'm going to sprinkle it all over my paper. It really looks like it's snowing. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. I'm going to shake it onto the paper and I might add some more cotton wool. And there we go. We've made our swirling, whirling snowstorm. What would you wear in a snowstorm? See you next time.